Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Today I'm just showing you guys me making my costume. This costume is for me to go to a party. I don't even know if I'm going to a costume party officially yet. It's like really last minute. I don't even know if I'm going or not, but I'm making this shirt, so I'm just gonna vlog the process of it. So let's go. So as you guys can see, I have this good old tablecloth set up so I don't stain anything with fake blood. We have a extra large Gildan t-shirt and some $1 fake blood. It's really liquidy, so I might mix it with some paint. And I already have this. I already had all this stuff. I had like this 2 little acrylic paints, and I had some brown that hopefully I can mix in and make it like thicker. Okay, this is it looks like out of the packaging, and I'm kind of scared. Okay, it needs to be like a tad darker, I feel like. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hand really quick because I really don't want this to stain my hand. Alright, turn out for the most part. Look at it. I just grab my hand. My hand just looks extra pink. That's what it kind of looks like right now. His hand looks really defined. Almost too defined. Add some to the sleeve on the front right here. Cause I just realized I didn't. Add some to the neck.
Put your lips next to mine.
I think I actually end up wearing this. I'm gonna flip it on the other side and do the other side. That looks pretty bad. I try to like put holes in the shirt too and like tear it up and stuff. So my camera ran out of space, but I'm gonna give this some time to dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna put on like some thigh highs, and I'll show you guys the mask and everything, the outfit. Alright, so currently I'm using the scissors, and I'm just like dragging and cutting holes kind of in the shirt. Like here's a little hole. So I'm doing like some distressing. You can't really tell, but I would zoom in, but I'm too lazy. And then I did like a little slit right here by the neckline.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal. May God be with you all.